Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, my dear brothers and sisters, to another episode in our Pillars of Islam series. And today we'll be looking at the partner of the second pillar, which is none other than zakah, the third pillar of Islam. The word zakah, along with salah, has appeared nearly 26 times in the Quran. And most often, we come across this sentence in the Quran, وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ, and establish the prayer and give the charity. The word zakah literally means purification, that is to purify your wealth by giving a part of it in charity to the poor people. It is prescribed on every kind of wealth, whether it be trade goods, cash, land, etc. If a hijri year has passed on the wealth and it has reached the minimum threshold at which zakah becomes due, which is also called as the nisab, then zakah has to be given on that wealth. The zakah has to be given to the 8 categories of people prescribed in the Quran in chapter number 9, verse number 60. They are, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, إِنَّمَا الصَّدَقَاتُ لِلْفُقَرَاءِ, to the poor, وَالْمَسَاكِينَ, to the needy, وَالْعَامِلِينَ عَلَيْهَا, the administrators of zakah, وَالْمُؤَلَّفَةِ قُلُوبُهُم, those whose hearts are to be reconciled with Islam, وَفِي الرِّقَابِ, those in bondage, وَالْغَارِمِينَ, for those in debt, وَفِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ, in the cause of Allah, وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ, the traveler who doesn't have enough money during his journey. These are the 8 categories of people to those zakah has to be given. There are merely 2 conditions for zakah to be given on a given wealth. Number 1 is the nisab. The nisab is the minimum amount of money at which zakah becomes due. The nisab differs with different amount of wealth. For example, the nisab of gold is 85 grams, whereas the nisab of silver is 595 grams. The second condition followed by the nisab is the passing of a hijri year on the stored wealth without using it. These are the 2 conditions for zakah to be made obligatory. Now a question arises, my dear brothers and sisters, that why has Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made zakah obligatory? And why has Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stressed so much about it in the Quran? Remember, my dear brothers and sisters, that zakah has many virtues. It is one of the pillars of Islam. Fulfilling it grants the Muslim happiness in this world and in the afterlife. When the zakah obligation is fulfilled, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala erases the sins of the zakah payer. As Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "As-sadaqatu tutfi'ul khati'ah." Charity extinguishes sins. Allahu Akbar. It also purifies the soul from greediness and from the control of the love of money or the person's ethics and beliefs. And this is the reason, my dear brothers and sisters, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in chapter number 9, verse number 60, خُذْ مِنْ أَمْوَالِهِمْ صَدَقَةً تُطَهِّرْهُمْ. Take from their money a charity that purifies them. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us from those who perform their 5 daily prayers and those who help this ummah by giving zakah. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. That's it for this video. Hope to see you soon in the next one. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.